Hey everybody, this is Joseph here with My Tennessee Home Solution. Are you looking to sell your home for a full cash offer? Well, we are cash home buyers that operate here in Middle Tennessee, and we've helped a lot of families, whether that was with inherited properties, divorce, needing to downsize, job relocation. Really, the reasons can be endless. And we provide personalized, tailored solutions to people who are looking to sell their home fast with no fees, no commissions, no repairs needed. We're a veteran-owned and operated, faith-based home buying company that are looking to positively impact the community every day. So if you're looking to sell your home fast with an all-cash offer, then feel free to give us a call at 615-637-SOLD.
We'll buy your home today, no need to delay. My Tennessee Home Solution.